Good morning students. Today we will discuss about some properties of a coordinator. So the first is property of a parallelogram. So there are some theorems. So first discuss about theorem 8.1. The statement is a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles. So you can see here ABCD is a parallelogram in which opposite sides are parallel. So we can see here this diagonal AC or BD divides the whole parallelogram into two congruent triangles. ठीक है, अगर तुम किसी भी डायगोनल को ज्वाइन करोगे, either you can join AC diagonal or BD, then जेड़ा डायगोनल होगा उस पूरे पैरेललोग्राम को टू कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स के बीच डिवाइड करो. इट मींस इट corresponding parts of that triangles are equal. So we can join this diagonal AC. Alright, so you can see here this diagonal AC divides the whole parallelogram into two triangles. So the name of first triangle is triangle ABC and the name of second triangle is triangle ADC. So first you can write ABCD is a parallelogram in which AB parallel to DC and AD parallel to BC. Alright, after that you can write join AC. AC is a what? It is a diagonal. Now we can prove these two triangles congruent. ठीक है, ऐसे दोनों ट्रायंगल्स में कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना. सो फर्स्ट यू कैन राइट द नेम ऑफ ट्रायंगल इन ट्रायंगल ABC and the name of second triangle is triangle ADC. So in triangle ABC and triangle ADC, which is the first part which is equal. So you can see here this BC parallel to AD because in a parallelogram opposite sides are parallel. So this BC parallel to AD. Now this is what AC. AC is a transversal. So you can write AD parallel to BC and AC is a transversal. Alright. So if this two lines are parallel and this is a transversal, then what? Pair of alternate angles are equal. Pair of alternate angles are equal. So these are the pair of alternate angles. Clear students? So AD parallel to BC and this is a transversal. So these alternate angles are equal. And the name of these alternate angles are angle BCA. Angle BCA. Alright. So you can write the part of this triangle ABC. So angle BCA is the part of this triangle and equal to angle DAC is the part of this triangle. Angle DAC. So what is the reason? Pair of alternate angles. So this is your first part. The second part is, you can see here, this AB is also parallel to DC. This AB is parallel to DC. AB is parallel to DC, and again this AC is a what? It is a transversal. Now again pair of alternate angles are equal. So this angle is equal to this one. Clear? So you can write since AB parallel to DC, AB parallel to DC, and AC is what? AC is a transversal. Then angle BAC, angle BAC is equal to angle DCA, angle DCA. Reason is again same, pair of alternate angles. Clear? Now the third is, you can see here in both of these two triangles, this AC is common. Alright. In triangle ABC and in triangle ADC, this AC side is common in both of these two triangles. So you can write here AC equal to AC. Reason is common. Clear? So you can see here we can take two angles and one side. So by ASA, angle side angle. By ASA, triangle, which one? ABC congruent to triangle ADC. Clear students? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC. Now these two triangles are congruent, or you can write AB equal to side CD and AD equal to BC by CPCT. ठीक है, अगर तुम कोई भी ट्रायंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट कर लेते हो, तुम कोई भी दो पार्ट्स को इक्वल लेसर, ठीक है. सो यू कैन टेक AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC, and we know AC is common in both of these two triangles. Alright, if two triangles are congruent, then its corresponding parts are also equal. Clear? So this is your theorem first. If a diagonal of a parallelogram divides it into two congruent triangles, ठीक है. पैरेललोग्राम का कोई भी डायगोनल होगा तो हमेशा पैरेललोग्राम को टू कॉन्ग्रुएंट ट्रायंगल्स से डिवाइड करो. क्लियर स्टूडेंट्स? सो दिस इज योर थ्योरम 8.1. नेक्स्ट दिस इज योर थ्योरम 8.2. In a parallelogram opposite sides are equal. So did theorem see first PPCP 8.1. In that theorem we will discuss in a parallelogram diagonals divides it into two congruent triangles. So in this theorem we will learn opposite sides are equal. कि जो parallelogram के opposite sides ने की में equal. So again draw a parallelogram ABCD. Alright, and we have to prove that its opposite sides are equal. So in a parallelogram we already know that opposite sides are what? Parallel. So you can join any of diagonals AC or BD. So this diagonal divides this into two triangles. Now you can prove these two triangles congruent. These दोनों triangles को congruent prove करोगे. So first part is, so if this BC parallel to AD, this is a transversal, then this pair of alternate angles are equal. Angle BCA is equal to angle DAC, pair of alternate angles. Second is this AB is also parallel to DC. Again this angle is again equal to this one. Angle BAC equal to angle DCA. This is again pair of alternate angles. And third one is AC is common in both of these two triangles. That's why by ASA triangle ABC congruent to triangle ADC. After that you can take any two of its parts equal. So you can take AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC by CPCD, congruent part of the congruent triangle. So इस थ्योरम के ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਪ੍ਰੂਫ ਕਰਨਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਪੈਰਲਲੋਗ੍ਰਾਮ ਨੇ ਉਹਦੇ ਆਪੋਜ਼ਿਟ ਸਾਈਡਸ ਕੀ ਨੇ equal. Clear? Next theorem 8.3. If each pair of opposite sides of a quadrilateral is equal, then it is a parallelogram. So given कि एक quadrilateral के बीच अगर opposite pair equal नहीं, opposite sides, ठीक है, then it is a what? It is a parallelogram. If this AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC, it is given already. Now we can prove that this ABCD is a what? It is a parallelogram. It means we can prove that its opposite sides are parallel also. So first you can write given AB equal to CD and AD equal to BC. So you can take these two triangles. Again you can prove these two triangles what? Congruent in triangle ABC and triangle ADC. The first is AB equal to CD and second is AD equal to BC equal to AD. Reason is given. And the next is this AC is common in both of these two triangles. Now by SSS congruence rule, both of these two triangles are what? Congruent. So after that you can take any of its part equal. So we can take this and this angle equal and second one is this one and this one. So you can take angle, which one? BAC equal to angle DCA, and the second is angle BCA equal to angle DAC by CTC. So you can see that these are the pair of alternate angles. If angle BAC equal to angle DCA and angle BCA equal to angle DAC, these are the pair of alternate angles. If pair of alternate angles are equal, then the opposite sides are what? It is parallel. Therefore, AB parallel to CD and this BC parallel to AD. That's why ABCD is a parallelogram. So this is your theorem 8.3. Thank you.